When it comes to destination marketing, one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience, I believe it's through authentic, story-driven content that creates a true sense of place. These are the stories that bring destinations to life. It's the people, traditions, and experiences that make a place unforgettable. We create content that speaks to niche audiences on a deeper level, whether they're adventure seekers, foodies, or history buffs. It's about drawing those who will truly connect with your destination. Short-form documentaries are at the heart of what we offer. Mountainwater Films also produces web series, social media content, and behind-the-scenes videos that give a deeper look at the people behind the places because, again, it's about those human connections that turn a trip into an unforgettable experience. We hope you tell stories in a way that resonate with the right audiences and improves the quality of life in your community. Appalachia is more than just a place. It's thousands of unique stories. The small towns, heritage, and hardworking people make it so special, and capturing those authentic moments is at the heart of what we do at Mountainwater Films. So if you're looking for a creative partner to help tell your destination story, let's talk. I'd love to hear about what you're working on and explore how we can bring it to life.